Hey guys, welcome to Bartending channel. My name is Roman and today we will learn how to make the Sidecar Cocktail. This cocktail belongs to the sour category and was created in Paris in the early 1900s. We don't know exactly who created this cocktail, but we know that the bartender who made it popular was Harry Mathellon, the owner of the legendary Harry's New York bar in Paris. Now for this cocktail we will need cognac, orange liqueur and fresh lemon juice. And you will also need a shaker because it's going to be a shaken drink. So let's begin with the recipe. And that's how you prepare a Sidecar. This is a great cocktail that I personally really like, especially because it has less sugar than the other sours that we know. So I suggest you to recommend this cocktail to your clients, especially when they want something dry but refreshing at the same time. Okay guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and the question of the day is, in your opinion, what's the best time of the year to drink a Sidecar? See you next time.